Welcome aboard, Digital Academy partners. We are going to be sailing and cruising together for the next 2 weeks. As we set sail together on this academic voyage, I'm honored to be your captain for this exciting journey. The Digital Academy is a grand ship, built on knowledge, powered by curiosity, and steered by collaboration and teamwork. Today, I want to chart 3 major courses that will guide us through the next 2 weeks ahead. Your first course of action is to participate and engage. Be an active crew member. A ship moves because every crew member pulls a rope, reads a map, and hears the bell. Participation and engagement is how we power forward. So attend classes, join discussions, and listen as much as you speak. Collaboration keeps our engines running and our decks steady. The second is resilience, weathering storms and embracing adventure. Every voyage faces rough seas because you have to balance your work and the Digital Academy enablement. Resilience is our lifeboat. We'll teach you different types of frameworks, methodologies, and lots of best practices and practical applications. Equally important is fostering curiosity and the courage to explore uncharted waters, new disciplines, and exhaust your creativity. So, as we embark together, remember partners, this ship belongs to all of you. Bring your best, stay curious, ask questions, learn from the best team, help steer everyone toward excellence. I may not be there now, but I will always be with you every step of the way within Digital Academy. Welcome aboard! Let's set sail together.